Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to Tokyo's Narita International Airport. We have arrived early. Local time is approximately 3:15. For your continued safety and comfort, please remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened and all carrying articles properly stowed until the captain has bought the aircraft for the final stop at Terminal 1. Once you reach the gate, you turn off the seatbelt sign at a time check around your seating area and the overhead storage compartments for any personal belongings. When you pull down the overhead compartments, please use caution. I don't intend to move a shift during